Good morning, my dear children. I am your maths teacher Prabjot Kaur, bring one new video for you. In this video, we will revise the topic fun with numbers. This is your topic that you have already done in the previous videos. So we will again revise this topic. So first topic is number name. So we are having a number 8563. First of all, in number fun with numbers, in concept of number, we write the place value table on the above side of the number, that is ones, tens, hundred and thousands. So 8563, because the numbers at tens and ones place we read together. So when we write the number name, we write the spellings of the number. So when we write the spellings of the number, first of all, we will write the place value table on the above side of the number. According to place value, we write their spellings. 8 is at thousands place, so 8000. 5 is at 100 place, so 500. 63, so we write the spellings of 63. So number name is 8563. Next is 2007. Again, we write the place value table on the above side of the number. 2 is at thousands place, so 2000s. Here 100, 0. Tens 0, but at ones place we are having 7, so we write the spellings of 7. So the number name is 2007. Next is numerals or figures. When we write the number in figures, means spellings are given 7306. First of all, the first step is we write the place value table. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So 7000, 1000. Below the 1000 we write 7. 300. Below the 100 we write 3. 6. 6 is at the last. So at ones place we write 6. There is nothing at tens place. So we write 0. So the figure or numeral is 7306 is 7306. Next concept is expanded form. Means when we expand the number with its place value along the sign of addition. So 8563 we are having the same number. So, first of all, we will write the place value table on the above side of the number. 8 is at 1000 place, 8000, plus 5 is at 100 place, 500, plus 6 is at tens place, means 60, plus 3 is at ones place, means 3. So, expanded form is 8000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 3. Next is compact or standard or short form. Means when the number is given in the form of expanded form and we have to write the short form. So first of all, we will write the place value table on the above side of the number. 1000. So at the below of 1000 we write 1. 700. At the below of 100 we write 7. 3. At the below ones we write 3. There is nothing in tens, so we write 0. So the short form is 1703. Next is successor. Successor means 1 plus. We are having a number 8563. 63. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Rest of the number is same. 8563 plus 1 is 8564. Predecessor. Predecessor means 1 minus. Means when we subtract 1 from 3. From the ones place, that is 3. So 8563 minus 1 is 8562. Next is place value and face value. In place value, we write the digit with the place value, and in face value, we write the digit as it is. Position doesn't matter. So first of all, we write the place value table on the above side of the number 8563. Ones, tens, 100,000. 3 is at ones place. So the place value 3 ones or 3, but the face value will be 3. 6 is at tens place. So the place value is 6 tens or 60, but the face value will be 6. 5 is at 100 place. So 500 or 500 is place value and 5 is the face value. 8 is at 1000 place. So 8000 is the place value and 8 is the face value. In place value, we can write the spellings also, or we can write the numbers. Next is formation of numbers. Formation of numbers. In formation of numbers, we form the numbers in greatest or smallest form. We are having different digits with commas. 8, 5, 6, 3. But when we form the numbers greatest and smallest, we remove the comma, because from the digits we form the number. So the greatest number, we arrange these numbers in descending order. 8653. This is the greatest number from these digits, and smallest number we form from these digits is 3568. Next is abacus. In abacus 8563. So first of all we will draw a rectangle, make a half of it, make equal parts. We have to write the place value table, ones, tens, 100, 1000, then arrange the numbers 8563. Then on the spokes of the abacus we draw the beads. Suppose there are 3's at 1's place, so 3 beads. 6 is at 10's place, so here is 6 beads. 5 is at 100 place, so at 100 spoke we are having 5 beads. And at 1000 place we are having 8 beads. Next is ordering of numbers. In ordering of number, we arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. So in ascending order, we arrange the number smallest to biggest, and descending order, we arrange the number from biggest to smallest. We are having these numbers. First of all, when we arrange smallest to biggest, this is called ascending order. And when we arrange biggest number to smallest number, this is called descending order. Next is comparison of number. When we compare the numbers with greater than, less than or equal to sign. So 8563. On the another side we are having 9830. So 9830 is the biggest number. So we put sign the greater than at the face of 9830. Next is 1257 and 1250. Now 1257 is greater than 1250. So we put the sign at the greater than. Next topic is even and odd number. Now even numbers are divisible by 2. Like at 1's place we are having the digit 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. At odd numbers not divisible by 2, like at the 1's place we are having digits 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So suppose we are having a number 8563. 8563. At the 1's place we are having 3. 3 is not divisible by 2, so it's an odd number. 8638. At the 1's place we are having 8. It is divisible by 2, so this is an even number. Next is Roman numerals. Roman numerals we have already discussed till 50 in previous videos. Now we will take a revision. For in place of 10 we are having 7 Roman numerals, but there is no symbol for 0. We can repeat Roman numerals that start from 1, that is 1, 10, 100 and 1000, maximum 3 times. But V, L and D we could not repeat a single time. Next we are having a Roman numeral 10. So in place of 10 we will write X. Suppose we are having next digit is 18. Number is 18. So 18 is 10 plus 8. In place of 10 we will write X, and 8 V I I I. V means 5. I means 1. So we can repeat maximum 3 times I. So this is the 18. Next is 20. X X. 2 times X we can write. Next is 25. 20 plus 5. For 20 we have written XX and 5V. That is XX. V is 25. Next is 30. XXX, because maximum 3 times we can repeat it. Next is 32. For 32 we can, first of all we make the expanded form 30 plus 2. For 30 we can write XXX and 2XX. Next is 40. Now we could not write it 4 times XXX. So we subtract it from 50. So 50 minus 10 is 40. So XL we can write. Next is 47. 47, 40 plus 7. So XL means 40, and for 7 we will write VII. Next is for 50 we write L. Now these are 10, 18, these are Hindu-Arabic numerals, and these capital English alphabets are called Roman numerals. So this is the entire revision of your chapter 1, Fun with Numbers. I hope you all got it very well. Your doubts are clear now. Thank you. Have a nice day.